Someone's here.
Honestly, I'm fine right now, actually. You're fine? Yeah, maybe I can eat later if I...
It's JYP!
Oh my god! I went over JYP! Oh my god! Hi! Let me show my nasty hair.
Oh my gosh, this is Steven.
Hi!
Wait, you didn't wash it, right? Because that's better for your scalp. Okay, good.
Really?
It's better for your scalp, yeah, because
No
your oils
way.
will protect your scalp. Wanna do like your whole head or just the top?
I want to do the whole head. Is that
Oh my
possible?
gosh, yeah.
It's this color. It's dark.
Thanks, Dad.
It's really good.
This is my setup. I'm gonna sit there because I'm gonna be tired standing. So Steven, can you show us some dance moves?
Yeah.
In front of my laundry?
Okay, so this was in Idol by BTS. It's this.
Oh my gosh, wait, can you teach me? Hold on. Steven, can you teach me? Idol choreography!
Just a bit.
Just a bit.
Ready?
Yes?
Okay, you want to drop your leg and bend it inwards. Yeah, but you want to have a nice bounce with it. So bounce down and down and down and down. Good. You don't want to turn your shoulders now.
Oh, okay.
You want to keep it straight.
How do you do that?
You want to isolate your like hip. So keep your shoulders facing the front. There you go.
It's so hard.
I know. And then your hands. Your right hand is out here. Every time you bend your knee in, flick it in with your foot. Doom. Doom. Doom.
Oh,
You know that this
there
guy? Oh wow. Hey.
Check out his covers on Instagram. He makes like K-pop and like other dance.
7, 8.
ooh, ah.
Hey.
ooh, ah. Welcome to Nami's Ratchet Salon. Are you ready for
gang.
ratchetifying?
Ratchetifying.
Steven's hair is pretty black. He thinks it's oily, but it's like not very quite oily like my hair gets. Blonde Brilliance High Lift Bleach. It's gonna give us 9 levels hopefully.
So you use purple to cancel out.
Wow. Sorry.
Whoa.
Let's make 2 and then remake it because it's better to remake it so it stays fresh.
Okay.
Because by the time you mix it, it's already processing.
Wow, you know so much about this.
Suffering. I'm using 40 volume developer. Don't come for me because like through my experience, this is the best way to prevent damage. Even though 40 volume is like really high of a developer, we need to get your lift fast so that we don't have to go back in so many times.
Oh.
Yeah, because I've bleached my hair 8 times one time because I was trying to use a low volume, but it was 8 times and like
that's way
I was
worse,
really scared
right?
that it'll fall off.
Yeah, you need like one strong go. That's the best, right?
But it really depends on the hair type. Because for some people, one strong go will melt their hair because they have white fine hair.
Yeah.
But for us, multiple times we'll overprocess our hair.
Yeah. What is that, by the way?
That's Olaplex. So Olaplex helps rebond the hair while it's being broken so that it prevents damage.
And you put it with the bleach?
Yep. You mix it in after like it's all thoroughly mixed.
Wow.
Yeah, I did so much research, guy.
Yeah.
Like, I was being flamed left, right, and center.
Oh my
For
gosh.
like killing my hair, so then I had to do a lot of research and figure out what will work.
It looks really
like
good.
I don't. Oh, thank you. I don't want to go to salon.
Yeah.
Because like I feel like it's a waste since my mom does hair anyway.
Yeah.
Feel this.
Whoa!
Should I take off my earring?
Some metals can have a bad reaction, so usually
True.
people tell you to take off your.
True.
But like I keep my earrings on because I'm edgy.
Edgy. Oh my gosh.
I bleach with no gloves. I'm gonna put on gloves right now. 'Cause
Okay.
people are gonna complain. Oh, I love you. What's going on?
Ooh, I haven't dyed my hair for 3 years, 2 years now.
Oh my gosh, really?
I stopped right after Korea.
Oh.
Just cause I got so shook.
You got shocked at your.
At my green gray hair. Yeah, I wanted
What
gray.
happened?
I don't know, but they were like, I was like, yo, never going back again. And then
Oh my god.
when you brought it up, I was like, oh, it sounds like a fun project. Let's do it again.
Oh my
And then after, like even today, when I was waiting to meet up with you,
Yeah.
it wasn't even on my mind. I was
Sorry, I
like,
got it on your ear.
that was okay. I was like, just waiting to meet Nami and like having
Yeah,
a
and then
fun
when we're
time.
actually doing it,
Yeah.
it's like you can feel the nerves. right?
Yeah, and like even when I sat down and you started the bleach, I just start feeling nervous when it's
Oh
already
my
tingling more.
gosh.
Cause I'm like, this means
This
I
is
have
happening.
to. I
It's
know,
happening.
it's happening, and now I gotta like buy all these really special shampoos and
Right.
not wash my hair. And then also my talent agency. I don't know what they're gonna say. I just realized Big Hit, their upcoming
Yeah.
audition, 1998. I'm 3 years too
1998.
old. I know. So I'm kind of sad, but JYP I have
Hopefully,
hope.
yeah, JYP.
JYP
I hope
take
they
me.
can take you, because I feel like JYP is also a little bit more Western than the other companies.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So it's already lifting at the back.
What does that mean?
It's already
Getting lighter?
turning- Yeah, lighter.
I'm nervous.
Hey.
Instagram singing.
Hey, I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now, I can't breathe but still fight because I can't fight. As long as the wrong feels right, it's like I'm in a flight. Half of love, drip on my head. It's like I'm pumping pain. And the more I suffer, I suffocate. And mixing another portion, but I'm still making it 40 volume, but because your hair is already wet, this is going to be diluted. So it's not going to be as strong as 40. It's actually going to be diluted to 30 volume, and I'm going to put it right on top.
Is this counting as round 2 or still 1?
It's going to be 1.5.
1.5.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
Wipe it off first.
Yeah. Does he have a nickname? Gal?
Sometimes we call
Hey, Gal.
Sometimes we call him people call him Gally.
Oh, Gally.
Or G.
Or G, yes. I call him G.
True.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you like my crop sweater, it's from a brand called Kyopo. Yes!
Oh, I should have brought my hoodie.
The festival that Steven and I were in together, like the past weekend, one of the creators who were also there, I was talking about it in my live stream a bit, but I'm really like inspired and encouraged by why he started his brand. A struggle between your national country and your ethnic culture that's like kind of clashing
like being both
in your
American
identities.
And Korean, right?
Yeah, the term kyopo is like sometimes it's used really derogatory by Koreans to like label second generations who are not fully Korean because they grew up out like in the Western world.
He uses
it to make it a strength and something to be proud of, because we should be proud of our diversity, right? How are you feeling, Steven?
My head hurts so much. It feels like there's needles stabbing everywhere over and over again, and they're holding it and it's slowly entering more. Is that what you go through too, where you feel like it's magical and it's happy?
No, it's so painful. I'm so sorry, Steven.
It feels like I'm getting drunk. Like, yeah.
Through your scalp,
Honestly,
through your head.
through my head.
God. So we're gonna monitor this for like every 15 minutes and see how it processes. But what we want is a nice even tone with like no black streaks like this.
Yeah, yeah.
And like all the color to be kind of even. Bleach only processes for like 20 to 40 minutes, and then after that it stops processing. So whatever is too light will already stop processing, and then we're just waiting for the black to catch up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I hope it goes okay. 1 hour.
1 hour of pain.
pain.
I might pass out in a bit. I thought my scalp was stronger.
Wait!
Who would use like? Why do they only?
I know.
Like why would
Why
not
would they
just
even
make everything?
Yeah, right?
If it's the same effect.
They should just only make sensitive scalp developers.
Yeah, if it's the same effect, like who wants to feel the
Yeah,
pain?
exactly.
What's the company?
Yeah, just lean over. It's not as even as I hoped, but it doesn't look too bad.
Okay.
I don't know if we need to go lighter. You can take a look, but I think in terms of lightness, this is pretty good. I'm gonna shampoo your head a sec.
Okay.
If you're using purple shampoo, you're toning it, right?
Whoa.
I'm slightly toning it.
Whoa, it looks like Lush. It's so, I want to eat it. But I can't. It looks like
so
taro
purple.
bubble tea. This is exciting.
Excited.
Exciting. I see the purple.
I'm using Wella's color charm. It's gonna cancel out the yellow in his hair. Look at that.
Nami, the hair expert.
No.
Does the toner hurt too?
No, it shouldn't.
Ooh, it's stinging.
Really?
But I think it's from the bleach before.
Yeah, your scalp is probably really numb. Sorry, Steven.
It's
Oh
okay.
my gosh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, this is hurting way more than before.
Way more?
Yeah.
And I used a sensitive scalp.
What's happening to me? I feel like I'm in war. I feel like I'm going through head labor. I've never felt this much pain. Guys, if you watch my fire noodle challenge, you see my reaction there? This is like worse than that. Guys, if I don't see you guys tomorrow.
Doesn't it like feel so numb?
It's not numb, I'm feeling everything.
You look cool, man. You look
That
cool.
looks so cool. Oh, this is the newest hairstyle.
Yeah.
Yeah, this hurts more than when my parents beat me. when I was younger. You know, this is a soft brush, but it feels like it's nails scratching against the side of my head. Spicy Noodles ain't got anything on this. It feels like she's brushing my skull. ASMR times 1,000. It hurts. Yeah. This better be worth it, Nami. Oh my god. Look, I look bald. I'm trying to smile, but honestly, I want to cry. Just hurry, Nami! It burns!
I'm sorry.
Yo, my face is red on this camera. Head is literally red.
Oh, what's funny?
I look funny, right, Ziek? My middle split, guys. Now I look less like JYP. I look better. I look better. This purple dollop. Nami's face.
I can't. Look at my tears.
Where's my? You see my tears are worse.
Look at these tears.
Tears from laughing, tears from crying. I can't.
Tears from pain.
It hurts so much. I think my skin's actually red, like my face from all the pain, right? I look like a court lady. Look how red I am, Nami.
Look, it's coming down.
Our reactions. Guys, I've never looked so good, guys. I'm ready for my big hit audition. Never sarangan.